To migrate a Bill.com API integration, start by reviewing the existing integration to understand its current functionality and requirements. This includes identifying the API endpoints used, data formats, and authentication methods. Next, check the Bill.com API documentation for any updates or changes to the API endpoints, data formats, or authentication methods. This is crucial to ensure a smooth migration and to avoid any disruptions to your application. After reviewing the documentation, create a new API key and authenticate with the new API endpoint. The API key is used to authenticate API requests, and it should be kept secure to prevent unauthorized access. Then, update the API requests to use the new endpoint and authentication method. This may involve modifying the code to handle any changes to the API endpoints or data formats. It is also essential to test the new integration thoroughly to ensure it works as expected. This includes testing API requests, handling errors, and verifying data formats. Best practices for migrating a Bill.com API integration include using a version control system to track changes, testing the integration in a sandbox environment before deploying it to production, and monitoring the integration for any issues or errors. By following these steps, you can ensure a successful migration of your Bill.com API integration and minimize any disruptions to your application. Remember to always follow security best practices when handling API keys and authentication credentials. In addition, consider implementing logging and error handling to diagnose and resolve any issues that may arise during the migration process. This will help you to quickly identify and fix any problems, ensuring a smooth transition to the new API endpoint. Overall, migrating a Bill.com API integration requires careful planning, testing, and attention to detail. By following this guide and best practices, you can ensure a successful migration and continue to leverage the benefits of the Bill.com API in your application.